Now, as you guys know that in our previous videos we have learned about this kind of splines and like parametric splines and editable splines. But you must be thinking, after creating all of this like radius, and if you hit Control R, as you guys can see, we cannot see the rendered output. So what is the use of that? So for that, over here our Cinema 4D provides some tools like this Lathe, Sweep, Extrude, Loft, Bezier. We are going to look at one by one. Now we will in this video we are going to learn about lathe and sweep. Okay, so let's first start with the lathe. So let's delete this circle over here. Now I'm going to select my pen tool, and now we are going to create one pot with the help of this pen tool. So how to do that, let's see. Okay, so let's go to the front view like this. Okay, we are in our front view, and now what I'm gonna do over here, I'm going to create one point over here, one point over here, one point over here, one point over here, and one point over here. Okay, and then I'll press escape. If you see, we will get something like this. Now let's zoom in a little bit. Now what I want, that this point should be equal in their what we call height or something. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in my rectangle selection tool. I'll select both of them. I'll press T on my keyboard and I'll scale it downwards. So now their positioning will be properly aligned. Now press E on your keyboard and move this properly over here, and this I'll move this over here a little bit. Okay, and if I hit Control R, obviously we are not gonna see anything because this is blind. But with the help of one tool known as Lathe over here, let's select that, and after that I'm going to select this spline and I'll move inside this lathe. So as you guys can see, we will get something like this. Okay, and if you hit Control R now, you can see we will get this kind of pot. Now let's remove this line over here, and now I want this one should be not like a pointy but kind of smoother. So for that, what we are gonna do, there is one option known as chamfer. All you need to do, simply right click, and then you will get this option known as chamfer. So simply click on it, and after dragging your mouse, you will get this kind of corners. Same thing you can apply for this point also. All you need to do, simply select that selection tool again, select this point and right click and choose chamfer, and again you can create. This is some sort of bevel thing but for splines. Now again I'll select this point also, right click, and I'm going to choose chamfer, and I'm going to create something like this. Now we will select this spline and we will move inside this lathe. So as you guys can see, we will get some sort of shape like this. If you hit Control R, we will get this kind of shape. So that's the use of lathe.